Hello, fan collectors. What I have here is a Casablanca Four Seasons fan. It's a K36, I think. Yeah, I got it from J.J. Atchison from Fort Smith, Arkansas. I traded my SMC Park Avenue III fan for this one. Yeah, he told me that the bearings didn't work. And so I have the speed controlled on this Lutron 3-speed. It's the light right here. It blows some nice air, and you know, this is the first Casablanca fan I ever owned. Alright, let me get it started off on high. I mean, this thing just goes. It's a little wobbly though, because one screw is loose. I couldn't get it all the way with my screwdriver. And you notice the bearings is kind of noisy. Okay, here's medium. Stop the wobbling a little bit. It's gonna wobble regardless then. Alright, here's low. I like the low speed. I mean, when it goes slow, it goes very slow. Yeah, it must be nice, huh? Okay, it's reverse time. Turn it off. No. Instead of turning it off, let's go ahead and flip the script. Back on high. Just look at it go. Back on medium. Low. Turn it off. Oops. Well, hope you enjoy it.